It's ready. Where are we going?
We're going to the jetty.
To the jetty. All right. It is morning. I have yet to see the jetty in the daylight. There it is. There is a pulpit right here with the jetty on it. You can preach to the jetty. Ah! Never mind, it's just a little informational sign. Boring. Yeah, I'm super excited about this vlog. It's gonna be what the what
Vlogception. So the jetty, sometimes it's submerged by the water, sometimes it's just perfect to where the spiral sits right above the water and you can walk out on the water. And then other times it's like how it is right now, and the water's just receded to where the jetty kind of sits out on dry land. Here we are approaching the base of the jetty. Mr. Baldwin, what do you think so far?
I think the jetty is a very strange and mysterious place indeed.
I am adventuring out to the Great Salt Lake. This is an actual bird. That looks like the foot of it. It looks like it's a pelican. That's, oh my gosh. It's a swimming bird. Here it is. The Great Salt Lake. I have yet to step in. I need to get over there. I'm gonna jump. Woo! I did it. I've been told that this water tastes kind of salty. I think I'm gonna go ahead and, I might as well try it. Just take a little swig here. No, that's too much. That's too much. I need to come over here. All right, right here. A little salty. Nope, I don't want that orange stuff. Extremely salty. I was about to try the water for the first time.
Try.
Because you can't come to the Great Salt Lake without
it's
just
delicious. Look at all this orange stuff in it.
tasting the water. We don't know what that orange stuff is.
Oh, that's good. That's real salty.
Nutritious.
Very, very delicious indeed.
Safe to drink. You know, you'll be just fine. There's plenty of it. So here we have a couple of holes in the ground. What are these things?
I have no idea, to be honest with you. I'd say some kind of alien evidence here. Look at this crystal on the bottom. See that?
Actual crystals.
Indeed. Wow. Good ingredient too. We can make some cobbler with this bad boy.
Mix that with your water, you'll be just fine.
Yes, we've made it all the way out here. It's freezing.
So cool.
My hands have been exposed to the cold for like half an hour filming with the drone. And there are dead animals like all over by the jetty. It may have powers that it needs to sate with flesh.
I'm sure I could still, the Great Salt Lake. Falling apart. I'm sure I could still, the Great Salt Lake. Following home.
laid when the two tracks met across the United States for the first time.
Go touch it.
Here we go, we're touching it.
Touch it.
Go, go, go. Look both ways.
Touch it.
Touch it. There it is right there. Whoa, wow. Cool, cool. Nice.
Our camping plans kind of fell apart. All the camping was closed. We found this quaint little hotel room.
We've made it to Lava Hot Springs, Idaho. It is snowing and we're about to jump into a pool outside, an outside pool.
We're out here enjoying 112 degrees hot spring water. Just let it soothe you. Traveling's really slowed down here the last couple months because of the winter, but these hot springs have really opened up the opportunities. Plus now we got Cody here. Probably introduce Cody. This is my bro Cody here.
It's me. It's super nice out here. It's snowing. And, this is Jaden here.
Here's
Our other
Jaden.
bro.
He's here. Yeah, it's quite the snowstorm right now.
Look at all that. You see it?
I don't know. If you can, I bet it looks really cool. So yeah,
There's the update.
that's an update for you.
Making our way back to the truck because we're very dehydrated.
It is also very cold.
It's snowing if you can't tell. Oh. We left Jane to fend for himself. Still clear the heck back over there.
Nice warm water.
A lot of people are giving us some weird looks because we're shirtless.
And it's like look at there's snow here. It is snowing. So we're getting some weird looks, but that's okay.
We gotta cool off when we go back into the hot springs.
It's all about the adventure.
All right, we're on our way out. But this ride ain't over yet.
This is the rhythm